how to start writing on Medium and make money. So let's get started. So, first, what is this Medium that I'm talking about? Well, Medium is an online publishing platform that allows writers of all levels to share their stories, articles, and ideas with a large audience. Medium has grown into a community driven platform where individuals can write on a variety of topics such as personal development, technology, culture, and more. To create an account, you just have to go to Medium, and then here, what you're going to do is enter your full name and email address and then create an account. So, what are you interested in? Let's just say writing. Everything is up to you. You can choose three or more topics or categories. And then after that, click continue. And then here you will see that in order for you to really proceed, you need to upgrade your plans. So you can choose between member or friend. You can choose monthly or yearly. So for member, you can select this and unlock the features below. Read member-owned stories, support writers, earn money for your writing, listen to audio narrations, and so on. So if you feel like you want to try this, so you can tap select and then pay for the amount that you need to pay. Also for friend, this one is the monthly payment and you can unlock this feature. Of course, this is highly recommended compared to member plan. But for the sake of this tutorial, I just have to scroll down and here I can continue with the basic account. But if you really want to try this medium platform, I highly suggest to upgrade your plan. Okay, so now that I'm using the basic version, I can just simply introduce to you the following features here in Medium. So this is what it looks like. Now on the right side, so this is Medium interface, and here in the right side, you can see the following, such as reading list, recommended topics, followed writers, trending stories, publications, stats for your stories, tags and categories, engagement features, author info. So as a conclusion, the right side panel of Medium is valuable resource for readers and writers alike. The upper part features, you can see here, follow for you, following, relationship, the categories that you have selected. You can see here publish articles or stories, and you can somehow get some ideas or make this an inspiration for you to proceed and continue with your writing. Okay, so you can just simply review, you can look, you can read, and be inspired. Now, if you look at the upper right side, you can see here your profile. So if you want to adjust and make some changes with the settings, you can just simply tap at this profile right here. You can see here your profile and settings. So if you want to change something here, then you just have to click at this profile icon at the top right corner and then proceed with your profile or settings and so on. To start writing, tap this pencil icon and it will take you directly to this page where you can add your title. So let's just say I'm going to make an article and post it here in Medium platform. 10 proven ways to boost your productivity and achieve your goals. So here you can simply edit the format. You can change the font style, font size. You can change it to bold. You can even add link. Okay, so you just have to click the paperclip icon and then paste your article right here. So this is my sample article for this tutorial. So as you can see here, select text to change formatting, add headers, or create links. So all you have to do is to tap or select the area or part where you want to change the format, something like that. And apart from that, apart from typing or adding words, you could also add image or video inside this article right here or page right here. Just tap this plus icon. So you have your choices if you want to add photos, add image from Splash, add a video, and add embed, and so on. So for me, for this tutorial, I want to add an image right here. Don't worry, you can change that anytime. You can change this to video, you can change this to embed, everything is up to you. Now, on the right side, you can see these three dots. Here, you can see the following options, such as add to publication, share draft link, change topics, revision history, more settings, more help. Okay. And then after that, once you're okay with this, then tap publish. And this is what it looks like. It's a preview of your article. So you can add more topic or change topics here. You can also change the image if you want. So I want to change the image actually. But once you have your image or you have added topics here, you can tap this publish now or schedule it later. Okay, so feel free to go back if you want to edit something, if you want to change the picture. And then after that, this is what it looks like once you have published your article. Now you will be notified with this message. Your story is published. This story isn't currently eligible to earn money. To make this story eligible, join the Medium Partner Program. If you don't know what it is, tap Learn More. So, in order for you to really publish this wine and start earning, you must apply to Medium Partner Program. So what is this? The Medium Partner Program is a monetization initiative offered by Medium that allows writers to earn money for their published stories or article. The program is designed to reward authors based on the engagement their articles receive from Medium members. So if you want to know if you're eligible, go to eligibility criteria, and then once you're okay with this, once you understood everything, then click apply now. So thanks for your interest in joining Medium's partner program. To get started, select the country where you are currently located. And then as you can see, everything is okay, but you really need to upgrade your plan in order for you to proceed. So you can select from any of this. And I have mentioned this one earlier about the member monthly payment and for the friend monthly payment. So once you are okay, once you really want to earn money using Medium, then you need to simply upgrade your plan and then apply it to Medium program platform. Okay, aside from that, if you don't feel like going through or proceeding with that, then there's other options. I mean, you can go to Wattpad and start earning here. So Wattpad also is a platform where you can publish and earn money. Now, talking about the difference between the two, Medium and Wattpad are both popular online, but in summary, Medium is geared towards sharing informative articles and essays for a professional and thoughtful audience, while Wattpad focuses on creative writing and storytelling within a community oriented environment. But basically, this is how easy it is to create an account here in Medium. Publish, but first you need to apply for Medium program platform, and also you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to proceed. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.